Hello guys, today we're going to be unboxing this Pokemon Quaquavel triple card pack box thing, you know. Alright, so I'll be opening this thing. Let me just open it because using one of my hands to open the thing. And all of a sudden you can see here we have a Quaquavel, 320 health, pretty good. EX, I'm not gonna say what I want to say, but you know, exciting dance, how interesting. 60 attack, not bad. Spiral shot, 230 attack, that's pretty good for an EX. GX is usually stronger. Okay. What's this? Oh, I thought that was two. I don't see what's happening, but okay, there we go. It's out, and now the card is officially mine. And here you see we have 4 different card packs. I'll be unboxing each one chronologically. So this is the first one we're gonna be unboxing. So sorry, I'm gonna need to like pop it up so I can, you know. So okay, so first off the bat we have a Larvitar, Cleffa, pretty good. NK, okay. Toad School, Duck Trio, Hounds. Oh, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's really good. Psychic. You don't get a lot of those. Diggersby, that's also pretty good. Fighting type Pokemon. Combi. Barboach. I like the aesthetic on this. Oh my god. I got another EX here. Glimora. 270 health. 140 attack from poison gem. Ability Dust Field as long as this Pokemon is this Pokemon. That's not interesting. It's pretty good. See this? That's pretty good Pokemon. You see it? You can't see it. It's not focusing. Basic injury card and nailed this. So yeah, that's the first pack done. Hope you had fun watching this, and I'll see you next time.